Hello guys. If you have a smartphone, if you have a smartphone and you're not making money online, I pity you. Stay on this video. This video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using your smartphone and internet. You can become a web developer and start making a huge amount of money online just knowing a digital skills. So stay with me. I'm going to show you how you can get this key in space of 3 months and you can start earning money online. So how to become a web developer is one of the most practical ways to start earning online these days. The good part is you don't need a degree or an expensive equipment to begin. All you just need is just being consistent and the right roadmap to follow. One is understand what web development is. I'm going to show I'm going to show you how you can become a web developer in 3 months and start earning money online. One, you need to understand what web development is. Web development is the process of building website and web application because we have three main parts. We have three main parts. The first one is front end developer that does the design that users see, which is the UI. Then the next one we have back end developer that does both the front end and the back end. Then the next one we will have the full stack developer, which does both the front end and the back end, both front end and back end. So if you're starting, I will advise you to focus on the front end. That does the user interface. What you need to learn is you need to start with this three language to to become a web developer in 3 months. First, you need to learn HTML, which is called Hypertext Markup Language. It is used for the structure of the website. It is used for the structure of the website. And the next one is CSS, that stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is used for the styling and the design of the website, like all those pictures, colors that you'll be seeing on your website. CSS is what does all the stuff. Then the next one is JavaScript. This is the brain this is the brain of the website. This guy now is the one that does the interactive, the animation that you see on your website. That when you visit the site, sometimes as you're scrolling, you just see a pump up. You just see a pump up. All those notifications, all those stuff are being done with JavaScript. So I'm going to show you how you can learn these three languages in 3 months and become a web developer and start earning money online. So you can learn using YouTube. I'll be sharing my YouTube link on in the comment section where you can click and start learning. Then you can also learn with free platform like free Codecamp, Web, free Codecamp, W3 and Udemy. First, practice daily, even with your phone. Don't just watch tutorials. Don't just watch tutorials. Build small projects like login forms, buttons and an animation, simple landing pages. Then the next thing there is consistency. It's more important than perfection. As you're starting, you don't need to be perfect with whatever. You need to be showing up every day doing that thing you know how to do best. Even if it's not okay, at least let it be as if you attempt it. Then the next one there is use the right tools. As you grow, start using tools like VS Code Editor, Git and GitHub to save your work. As you advance, as you're growing, start using stuff like Git and GitHub. Git is what is used to save your work. After your project, maybe after you've done your login input, your landing page, you just save your work there. Then you generate it, get the URL, post it to your friend, tell them how did you see my login form, how does it look. So all those encouragement from your friends, boosting you up, cheering you up to do more better. Then the next one is build real projects. You build project that stand out. Try building stuff like a personal portfolio website after you must have learned HTML, CSS, and just start building stuff like a personal portfolio website, start building business website, then start building a blog layout. This is what people will look at for, not your certificate. when you're when you're interacting with a client online, this is what the client need. If the client doesn't need your school degree, whether you're first class, whether you're second class, whether you doesn't need all of that. What your employer or your clients need is your projects, your work in your GitHub. Then just be building, just be creating things and be sending it to your GitHub account so that when this client or this um, employer comes to you, you have what you can present to them. Then how do you start making money online? Once you have these basic skills, you can offer service on Fiverr. You just go to Fiverr, you create an account, or Upwork, you create an account, you put those previous work that you are doing in the Fiverr or in the Upwork. As clients will be clicking on your link, they'll be seeing those previous work. Then they can contact you. Then help small businesses create website. Like in your areas, you'll be seeing like small businesses that do not have a website. You can approach them, help them create some business websites. There are some that even knows they have a business, but they don't know how to create. They don't know steps they can take. They don't know who to meet. So you can approach them. You can approach them. You talk to them. I'm into web development. Oh, let me help you and create a site on this your business. Or you can probably create the site. Then you take it to them and just show them. Oh, I think you need a website on this your business. So I've already created one. Come and take a look at it. So all of that. Then as you're doing so, the client or the person might just say, wow, this website is nice. I would like to work with it. So how much will it cost for me to own this website? Then you can start business with the person. You can also be selling templates or design. Create your template, create your design, sell it online. Then you can also apply for remote jobs. Did you hear that way? You can also apply for remote jobs. Then the next thing there is you keep improving. Web development keeps evolving. Learn things like frameworks like React, backend tools like Node.js, then also database like MongoDB. Then the final advice for you, don't rush. Focus on understanding. First, as you're starting, don't compare yourself to others, to other developers that have been there for years. Focus on your lane, know what you're working on, know where you're going, know your journey, then you focus. Stay consistent. Even if it's 1 hour a day, try to show up, try to do something, try to code and try to just do something towards your aim. Then the closing line for this, give yourself just 3 to 6 months of being consistently learning, and you can go from beginner to earning online as a web developer. So, see you on the next one. I'm going to show you how you can start all of this. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.